Hey guys! Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, the Lyndon B. Johnson Space Center and its role in the space race. Do you know what the space race was? And why was the Space Center in Houston, Texas so important to her? Let's find out together. The space race was a competition between the United States and the Soviet Union to see who could explore space the most. It began in the late 1950s, when the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite in history, Sputnik. This feat surprised the world and left the United States concerned about the technological superiority of the Soviets. The United States then decided to invest more in space research and development, creating NASA in 1958. NASA needed a place to coordinate its space missions and train its astronauts. That's how the Lyndon B. Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas came to be. The Space Center was named in honor of the American president who supported the space program and who was a native of Texas. The Space Center was built on an area of more than 600 hectares and had laboratories, simulators, control rooms, and launch facilities. The Lyndon B. Johnson Space Center was instrumental in the space race, as it was there that some of the most defining moments in space exploration took place. It was there that the astronauts of the Apollo 11 mission left for the first trip to the moon in 1969. It was there that they famously communicated the phrase "Houston, we have a problem" when faced with an emergency on the Apollo 13 mission in 1970. And it was there that the Space Center's engineers and scientists worked tirelessly to ensure the success of the Apollo and other missions. The Lyndon B. Johnson Space Center remains one of NASA's primary research and operating centers to this day. He is responsible for the International Space Station program and the development of new technologies and space vehicles. It is also an important cultural and educational center, as it receives thousands of visitors every year who want to learn more about the history and future of space exploration. In conclusion, the Lyndon B. Johnson Space Center was one of the protagonists of the space race and remains one of the mainstays of space exploration today. He is an example of how science, technology, and cooperation can take humanity to new frontiers. I hope you enjoyed my text and that you are more interested in the subject. Thank you for your attention.